We want to solve the system of equations given here in the case where b is 10. So initially this one's going to be 10. Let's call them equations 1, 2 and 3. And equation 3 has x and z. So between 1 and 2 it would be nice to get rid of y. So if I do equation 1, add 2 lots of equation 2, that would get rid of the y's. So I've got 2x, add 2x, so that's going to give me 4x. 2y, add negative 2y, so that disappears. And z, add negative 2z, so that's going to be minus z. And if we've added those, sorry, it's that one and twice that, so that's going to be equal to 12. And then equation 3 is 4x minus z is equal to 10. Now if we call these equations 4 and 5, we can see that they're inconsistent. We have the same left-hand side, but a different right-hand side. And that tells us that there will be no solutions to this system of equations in the case where b is equal to 10. Now in part b is equal to 12. Now I'm going to go about the equations in the same way. I'm going to do equation 1, add twice equation 2. So that's going to give me 4x. And the y's are going to disappear. I'm going to have minus z is going to be 4 and 8, which is 12. And equation 3 is 4x minus z equals 12. I think I renumbered this to 5 in part A. It doesn't really matter. This one is 3. Let's call this one 4. And we can see they're identical. So these are consistent equations. So we know that this gives us an infinite number of solutions. We know that none of the planes were parallel. Therefore, it must be a line of solutions. Could we find the equation of that line? Well, yes, we can. So from 3, we can say that z would be equal to 4x take away 12. And that also means, because we'll need this in a minute, that x would be equal to z plus 12 divided by 4. So let's call this star. Substitute star into equation 2. We then get x, take away y, take away 4x minus 12 is equal to 4. So minus 3x minus y plus 12 is equal to 4. So minus 3x take away y would be equal to negative 8, which gives us 3x plus y equals 8. So that gives us that y is equal to 8 minus 3x, or more importantly, that x is equal to 8 minus y over 3. So we have that x is equal to 8 minus y over 3 is equal to z plus 12 over 4. This x we could write over 1. And then x over 1 is equal to y minus 8 over negative 3 is equal to z plus 12 over 4. And that is the line r equals 0, 8, negative 12 plus lambda 1, negative 3, 4.